In this video, we are going to learn about negation. There are two ways of using negation. One way is to place the negative sign before the verb. The other is to first describe the subject and then use a negation sign, or shaking the head no. Many times the negative head shake is signed as a complement to a negative sign, though it is not always required. Let's go through some examples. I'm not watching the football game. The signs are me, not, watch, kind of like watching TV, watch, football, game. I never cheat. The signs are me, cheat, never. So in this sentence, me cheat is topicalized. So that means that we raise our eyebrows, lean our head slightly forward. No, I'm not going home now. The signs are me, go, home. This is where you eat and where you sleep, home. Now. Me, go home now. In this video, we will be learning about rhetorical questions. Rhetorical questions are an extremely common sentence structure in ASL. The non-manuals are different between regular and rhetorical questions. In addition, when you are asking a rhetorical question, you also answer it. Rhetorical questions tend to employ WH questions such as where, why, how, who, etc. Because English does not use this sentence structure, when you write an English gloss for a rhetorical question in ASL, you do not use the same structure. It is best to substitute other words such as because or for. The non-manuals for these are maintaining eye contact, raising your eyebrows, tilting your head forward, and holding the final sign and questioning non-manuals. For example, I'm taking ASL because I enjoy it. The signs are me, and take or take up, ASL, why, me, enjoy. Some other people also sign why or why, different variations. So, I rode the train here. The signs are arrive, here, how, and train. My mother lives in Arizona. The signs are my, mother, or some people say mother, lives, where, there, and Arizona. So, in this video, we are going to learn about WH questions. WH questions always use WH words. These include who, what, where, when, why, how many. When you sign a WH question, think about the look a detective would have on his face when he says, and looks like he's thinking. This will help you get the non-manuals, which are furrowing or squeezing your eyebrows together and tilting your head slightly forward. For example, what's your name? The signs are your, name, and what. So, where are the keys? The signs are keys and where. In this video, we are going to learn about long yes and no questions, or they're also called topic questions. In this sentence structure, the topic will be signed first and then the question. The non-manuals will generally be associated with the last sign or the questioning phrase. eye contact, raising the eyebrows, and head tilted forward. Here are some examples. Is that your brown cat near the tree? The signs are cat, or some people sign it with two hands, cat. Brown, tree, near, your. So let's try that one all together. Cat, brown tree near, yours. Will he wash the dishes and put the clothes in the washer? The signs are plate, wash, as in wash by hand, clothes, wash, as in wash by machine, and put in, or put in, he. So the sentence altogether would look like plate wash, clothes wash, put in he. Are you ready to go to the store and buy bread, vegetables, and apples? The signs are go, store, buy, bread, as in slicing the bread, vegetables, VEG, apple, ready, and you. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, the conditional clause is always at the beginning of the sentence and outlines the condition. The outcome of the condition is always at the end of a sentence and can be a question, a statement, or a command. In English, conditional clauses have varying word orders, but in ASL, they have a very strict word order. The non-manuals for conditional sentences include raising your eyebrows, tilting your head forward, and holding the last sign of the condition. Though you will generally use the sign if, it's lexicalized, as it's signing if, or suppose. Some people sign up here, suppose or suppose. Suppose, if. This is not required because of the fact that the non-manuals are what denotes the condition and the outcome. If you do choose to use a conditional sign, however, you can make the conditional sign more impactful by using the sign suppose. Let's go through some examples using suppose. If he forgets, what are you going to do about it? The signs are suppose, he, forgets, or I usually sign forgets, like wiping your mind clean, erasing it, nothing there. What do, or what are you going to do, and you. So, suppose he forget. What do you do? If it snows tonight, then you will cancel school tomorrow. The signs are suppose, tonight, or now night, snow, or some people just sign snow, tomorrow, you, cancel, and school. Suppose tonight, snow, tomorrow you cancel school. Examples using the lexicalized if. In both of these examples, the consequence is being emphasized, and the first one is also being used as a warning. If she can't come, you lose the ticket. The signs are if, she, can't, come, you, lose, ticket. So let's go ahead and do that sentence all together. If she can't come, you lose ticket. Another example. If you win the game, your team will be the champions. The signs are if, you, win, game, your, team, and champion. Or some people sign it here. But the general area right here is good. Champion. So let's try that one together. If you win game, your team champion.